So I've got some pallets stripped down now, and I've got the wood. I've just left it to stand for an hour whilst I watch the FA Cup final. And I've got some offcuts of 4x2, and I'm going to cut some lengths off at 500mm, 50 centimetres now, to make the legs for the box of the planter and to give it its main structure. I don't know, washing machine going off, Maximus playing his wheel next to me. I get no peace. Right, so I have 4 legs and some planks, and I'm going to use these planks now. And I'm just going to go for the screw it in. I'm just going to put one in for now. So that's going to be a nice height. I'll be the front. Same again for the back now. Plenty of space this for growing. So there's a basic framework, and we can square it up now, get it somewhat solid. So I've got the blocks in and I've got it somewhere near square. It is a garden planter at the end of the day. It doesn't need to be exact, but somewhere near is nice. And then I'm just going to fix these in now, give them a bit of spacing so they've got drain away. That's not looking bad. So that'll be the back, sides. This side will be the front here. It's got a nice support in and some drainage for the soil. So I'm going to give it a quick sand and then a spray. Give it a spray. Oh, just going to use the Creocoat, which is like a weaker version of creosote. In its seated position now. It can have a dry overnight and then ready to go tomorrow with some liner and some soil, fill it out.